are two words in the English dictionary that I love. And those are cheap eats. What's going on? It's Cat Trend and Kitty, and we're going to keep it cheap, easy, and delicious with under 5 ingredients and under 10 bucks with 20 Clove Garlic Chicken. Who don't love some juicy thighs? Today we're going to make it easy with some 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. These were literally like $5 at the store, and they're organic, blah blah, but I'm going to season them with salt and pepper. So salt, pepper. Don't forget the back size, baby got back. Salt, pepper. I got a pan over medium-high heat. Just gonna give it a quick spray. We're gonna take our chicken, lay it skin side down, let that brown, and just do its thing. 2 cloves of garlic. We're just gonna peel them to get the whole cloves. Yes, my lazy ass went looking for the peeled ones. They didn't have it, so let's just do it manually. It's all good. The magic of editing. Woo woo! I got about like 20 cloves of garlic from 2 garlic bulbs. This is gonna be tasty, but let's be honest, this ain't a first date kind of meal. Let that chicken do its thing. I'm gonna check on it. Just brown like that, perfect. Just both sides. I'm gonna brown it up. You hear the sizzle? That's deliciousness right there. Take the chicken, transfer it to a baking pan. Chicken down. Take the garlic, just sprinkle it around. Thyme! Who's got the thyme? I got some fresh thyme. I just washed it, and I'm just gonna spread that over, just like that. You take some olive oil, just about 1/4 cup, right on top. We're gonna wrap it up, that's what she said, with aluminum foil. 350 for about an hour and a half, and just set it and forget it. And like real talk, it's my only day off, so I'm just gonna go take a nap for an hour and a half, and I'll be right back. Out of the oven, and let's check it out. Clove garlic chicken. Now, doesn't that look tasty? So let's give it a shot. I just cut a little piece off. I got a little chicken. Well, that creamy garlic, it just melts. Just smother it everywhere. Mmm. That is slap your mama good. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Cat Trend, the Kitchen Kitty, and I appreciate you in the kitchen with me. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave your comments below, and say what's up. Until next time, ciao.